Band 5.5, again.
That's the third book this month, and none of it's sticking.
I know what I want to say. I just can't get it out in time.
You've studied every night this month. Why does your face look so tired?
Because studying isn't the same as improving, Nainai. The advantages of, Sorry, could you repeat the question?
There has to be something that actually works.
Real practice test, real band feedback. It's free, and it gives instant...
Okay, let's actually see where I stand.
It's telling me exactly which sentence hurt my score. Nobody's ever shown me that before.
So this is the one that talks back to you?
Sort of. It corrects me before I waste another month.
Three weeks, every day. No excuses this time. Skim first, detail second. Got it.
As the museum will be closed on the following dates.
That's a proper argument, not just words filling space.
In my opinion, remote work has changed not just where people work, but how they measure success. 6. Finally 6.
You've been smiling at that screen all week. Good sign.
It's a good app, Nainai, not just a good mood. One more section. I said no excuses.
Sorry, that actually made me laugh, but yes, I do think traveling changes people's perspective.
Cohesive devices. That's the piece I was always missing.
I'm ready. I actually am. I think the biggest lesson I've learned is that consistency matters more than talent. Nainai, it's a 7.5!
I never doubted you. I just didn't know the book would learn you so well.
It wasn't a book, Nainai. It was the practice that actually understood me.